guys, and welcome to my vlog series, episode 1, Parrots in School. Anyway, so remember that the first video I made about satisfying videos of these parrots? Well, it turns out they built a nest here, on that tree. As you can see, right here. Anyway, it took a few tries to make this video. All of them failed. Anyway, I wanted to talk about my school. Anyway, so on my track meet, I had to do it for 4 periods, minus my doctor's appointment, which had 1 painful needle and 1 fine needle. Anyway, my arm hurts a little, so it didn't stop me from playing in the game room at lunch. So after we were done with lunch, I was doing stuff in period 3 and 4. So my PE, when I was going, they actually let us play for free. Anyway, since it was Tuesday, I had to get out at 2:15. So, back to parrots. So, anyway, turns out they only return out on a non-sunny day, or part-time of a sunny day. So, here they are right now eating the fruit out of these seeds. Anyway, so if you want, I can do an explanation about what happened in school. So, I was walking towards my period 3 class when all of a sudden a swarm of butterflies come towards me, and they flew past me, but there wasn't a bird, so they were just migrating. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.